Studios used to spend weeks just on storyboarding. I pulled this off in under a minute with a single prompt. And over the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through how one prompt can give you a full 9-shot cinematic storyboard. Multiple camera angles, different compositions, and the same character across every frame. And you can convert all of it into video right on the same platform. Here's what's wild.
This is gonna totally reshape how you think about storyboarding.
Stuff that used to eat up days, sometimes weeks, now wraps up in a matter of minutes. I'll break down how to storyboard using AI, how to pull different angles from a single scene, how to get all the AI tools you need under one roof, and the best practices to get the strongest results possible. And I'll share a trick that most creators out there aren't even aware of. All right, so when it comes to starting out, you've got two paths. You either already have a subject ready, like a photo or a character, or you're creating one from the ground up with AI. For this walkthrough, I'm generating mine from scratch, but everything I'm about to show you applies no matter which route you take. To build the subject, we'll hop into Nano Banana Pro. And what's really convenient here is that you don't need 5 different apps open. InVideo has everything we need all in one spot. So open Nano Banana Pro, set up your project, punch in your prompt, throw in a reference image if you've got one, and generate. Cool. Now that your subject exists, jump over to InVideo Vision. Go to Boards. This right here is where the magic happens. Bring in your image and then lay out your story in the prompt. Be detailed. The clearer you are, the better the output. Choose your aspect ratio and hit generate. It needs a couple of minutes to do its thing. Once it's finished, you'll notice it's stuck to your story, and your character looks the same across every single frame. All of that from one prompt. And the cool thing, this isn't locked to one style or genre. Romantic, horror, drama, sci-fi, mystery, literally anything you can dream up. 9 images of each genre. You describe the story. It builds the storyboard. Stick around for the best practices section later. So here's the thing. What you've got right now is one combined image, a grid. You can't drop that straight into a project, so you need to break it apart shot by shot. Head back into Vision and open up Extract Shot. Upload your storyboard, tell it which shot number you want, and hit Generate. What you get back is a clean 4K high-res image of that individual shot. Repeat the process for every frame, and now you've got 9 standalone shots ready to work with. Now, sometimes a single angle doesn't fully capture the feeling you're after. Maybe you want to push in closer, or see the scene from over the shoulder, something that shifts the energy a bit. That's exactly what Angles inside Vision is built for. Pick a shot from your storyboard that you want to explore. Feed it into Angles, and it'll hand you 9 completely different perspectives of that exact same moment. And your character stays consistent through all of them. Just like with boards, what you get here is a reference grid, not something you'd use directly. So run each angle through Extract Shot to get the individual high-res frames. Still 4K, still sharp. Okay, so at this point, you've got your shots, you've got your angles, but obviously you can't just show still images, right? They need to move. Inside your project, drop in an image and set Kling 2.6 as your video model. Write your prompt describing the motion you want, and be specific. Once your prompt is set, hit Generate. Look at that. Now you just keep doing this for every image you want to animate. The whole thing will take a few hours to work through, but honestly, that's still getting 70 to 80% of your project done in a fraction of the time. Without any of this, you'd probably still be sitting there sketching out rough ideas. When all your clips are generated, bring everything into your editor and polish it up. Layer in your music, your sound effects, your transitions. whatever the project needs. That final editing stage is completely your creative decision. Here is the output video that I was showing you earlier. Wasn't it mind-blowing? Best practices. All right, let's talk about the stuff that actually separates okay results from really good ones. It all comes down to how you write your prompts. So instead of writing something like, zoom into the subject, try this. Use a 100mm lens to focus on the subject. The subject is covering 70% of the screen, while the rest is the background. Feel the difference? The first one is open to interpretation. The second one leaves no room for guessing. Or say you want to swap a character in. Don't just write, replace the subject. Write, replace the subject from image 1 with the subject from image 2. Make sure she feels like she's part of the environment. Adjust the lighting accordingly. The key here is to lean into filmmaking and editing language. Give real context. The more specific you are, the more the AI has to work with. Think about why. Replace the subject. Okay, with what? From where? The AI needs that info. So, if you've had an idea bouncing around in your head, whether you're a filmmaker, a creator, or just someone who wants to try something new, the process just got way more accessible. What story are you going to create first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to see how to use Nano Banana Pro to its fullest, I'm working on a detailed Nano Banana Pro hacks video, so make sure you subscribe for that. I'll catch you in the next one.